It's cold. What the heck, man? Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be attempting the wet brush makeup challenge. So here I have this bowl of water and I'm going to dip my brushes in it like this and pretty much just try to apply my makeup and also try to not ruin it at the same time. I don't want to ruin all my makeup from this challenge, so let's just start. Okay, let's just start with foundation. So I'm using this Real Techniques Expert Face Brush. So let's dip it in the water, wring it out a little bit. Okay. And I'm using this Tarte Rainforest of the Sea. It's water foundation, so let's see how this goes. I'm just gonna put it, watch me drop it in the pool. I'm gonna put it right on this brush like this. What the heck? I just got a whole bunch of it. Okay. Let's just... Oh, this is gonna be a mess, y'all. Oh god, okay, I'm wringing it out. I'm wringing it out more. Oh jeez. Oh jeez, yo. I'm like wasting all my foundation. This is my favorite foundation too. I have to like tap it or it doesn't work. Wow. Oh my god, it's like melting, but we're gonna have to use some more. Wow, that's all I have to say. Oh my god. So good. That's enough foundation, I think. Let's move on. I'm gonna do eyebrows now. I'm gonna use a pomade so I can dip this brush in the water. Dipped it in the water. So, Anastasia. So let's go ahead and just ruin it, I guess. Bitch, I can't see. That's dark, yo, what the heck? Alright, we're gonna have a dark eyebrow today. Sounds good. Okay. Oh. Okay. We gotta keep going though. I'm gonna start with the tail first because wow. Wow, that's really dark. Oh, okay. Wow. Oh my god. This no. Okay, I really want to move on from these eyebrows because, wow, they're terrible. So we're gonna go with Tarte concealers. This is my concealer brush, so I'm gonna dip it in the water until it's dripping. I'm gonna use the applicator to put it on. Yes, to put it on. But other than that, wow, it's creamy today because it's in the sun, yo. Great. Now I'm gonna use the wet brush to blend it out. I'm kind of scared. Actually, I don't know. Yeah, it looks great. It looks like freaking paint. stupid, but girl, I don't even know. Y'all see this? I hope my neighbors see me and they're like, why is she doing her makeup in the pool? Okay, it doesn't look half bad. You can see every pore on my face. Now you thought the cream products were bad. Let's start going in with the powder products. Bronzer. Natural bronzer. This is my contour brush, so we're gonna dip this in the water. Oh boy. All right. No. What is this? I'm trying to scrape. Okay. I'm trying to. Wow. All right. Let's go to blush. This is the Forever Blush by Coastal Scents. We're gonna use this Wet n Wild brush. Let's dip it in. You got this? Okay. I don't want to ruin this exactly, so, but we're gonna have to. Just a little tiny ding ding ding. All right, let's see what we got. Okay, yeah, that's doing something. That's never mind. No. Now highlighter. This is actually Wet n Wild highlighter, and crushed it up and put it in this. So let's get this Morphe Y14 highlighter brush and dip it in. Let's, oh, okay, okay. Never mind. It's like not blended up. Alright, we're moving on to the eyes. So we're gonna dip this in the water. Alright, and scoop some product up. We're gonna use this to prime. Alright. Alright. God. I'm gonna use a wet freaking concealer brush to blend that out. Okay, it's actually blending it though into my like terrible. Let's just jump right into the eyeshadow. So I'm using the Coastal Scents Smoky palette. Here it is. Yeah, I might drop the whole thing in the bowl, but it's okay. Okay, we're gonna start with the Morphe M441. Dip it in the water. There she is. All right, now let's see, what look are we going for? Okay, let's go for going the yellow today, so let's just dip it in. I like the pigment. That's all. I need to dip her in water more. Okay. That's good. Okay, and on the other side, I'm gonna use this purple right here. Alright, that looks okay for now. Oh God. Okay, and now under my eyes, I'm gonna use a blue. Let's just get a little brush right here, dip her in the water. It's this color right here. I'm gonna use this under my eye. That's that. Let's just curl them. Okay. Alright, so let's get this mascara, take it on out, and I'm gonna dip it right in the water. So here we go. Kind of scared. This is, oh God, this is not waterproof. The last thing left to do, this really needs to dry, is lips. So here I'm going to use the NYX Lingerie lipstick. I'm dipping this in the water, so that's that. And then I'm gonna take this off here and just scrape it off like.
Let me dip it. Like I just dipped it like straight in while the product was on it.
last thing to do is set it with this setting spray. This is Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Marine Boosting Mist. Thanks for watching. Leave a like. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.